Presido Buhari don sign 3 anti-money laundering bills enter law. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don on Thursday for State as Abuja sign Money Laundering Prevention and Prohibition Bill, Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Bill, and Proceeds of Crime Recovery and Management Bill 2022. Buhari come tok say im no go rest in money laundering, terrorism and financial crime don end for Naija.
Let me now assure every Nigerian that this administration will continue to do its best to secure the nation. These bills represent not just legislative instruments, but very significant governmental actions, projecting courage, determination, and sincerity in tackling the menace of money laundering, terrorism, and other financial crimes.
Buhari come tok say every Nigerian get im own role to play to take wipe corruption comot from the country.
The fight against corruption requires an all-of-government, all-of-nation approach, and as such, each of us as Nigerians have a role to play. We will not rest until we rid the nation of the menace of money laundering, terrorism, and other financial crimes. And God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Ahmad Lawan, wey be the Senate Presido, come yarn say even before Buhari sign the bill enter law, dem don dey carry out ogbonge work against corruption for Naija.
Even before the signing of these 3 bills, we have achieved very, very significant landmarks in the fight against corruption in Nigeria. And with signing of those 3 bills today, we have taken the fight against corruption to a much higher level. And our prayer and hope is that Nigeria will now be further recognized as one key central country, a partner of international repute in the fight against corruption, not only in our country but across the globe.
Modibbo Haman Tukur, wey be oga for Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, come tok say dis one na better milestone wey dis administration don do sake of the 3 bills wey dem sign get plenty elements of practices wey dey shele for abroad.
This is a great milestone by this administration, a real breakthrough, because the 3 bills amended contain so many elements of best practices internationally. That's from civil forfeiture to prohibition of terrorism financing, issues of partnership with other countries, and so on and so forth. So the bill means a lot for both the global community and more especially West African countries.
ICPC Chairman Professor Bolaji Owosanaye come tok say the new law dey increase any society wish to fight corruption, money laundering, and terrorism financing.
The new laws enhance the desire of the society to fight corruption, money laundering, and terrorism financing. So we should expect an improvement in the efforts that anti-corruption agencies have been making in this regard.
Bawa Abdulrasheed, wey be EFCC chairman, come tok say dem go dey everywhere to make sure say dem carry out the law.
So we are going to be everywhere, going forward to ensure the enforcement of the law and to ensure that those avenues, where the gatekeepers are assisting, the corrupt element within the society to launder their process of crime are now being watched strongly, with the legal framework that the new bill have given the EFCC.
Ebo Sereme Ubinome, TMC TV News.